If you're looking to cut down on visits to your local coffee shop, the best home espresso machines can help you get your caffeine fix right, in the comfort of your own kitchen. But an espresso machine is an investment, especially if you want one with all the bells and whistles, so it's important to consider the types of features that fit your needs. We've outlined everything you need to know about buying a shiny new espresso machine for your home. Number 10. Amazon Basics Espresso Machine. Make espresso, cappuccino, and lattes with ease. Built-in milk frother with adjustable steam knob creates fresh, foamy topping. 1.5-liter detachable water tank, 15 bars pressure pump, and detachable drip tray. Number 9. Lavazza 041953000648 Blue Classy Mini Espresso Machine. Pack of 100 single-serve Lavazza Blue capsules, with the Espresso Intenso coffee blend. Simple touch controls, 1 programmable free dose and 1 preset. Full-bodied medium roast with intense, and persistent flavor and notes, of caramelized nuts. Number 8. Calphalon BVCL ECMP1 Temp IQ Espresso Machine. A 15-bar Italian pump delivers the right amount of pressure for maximum flavor extraction, and produces a beautiful layer of crema for your espresso. Dial interface for selecting steam, hot water, and pre-programmed single and double shots. 58 mm cafe-sized porta-filter holds more grounds, and ensures even water dispersion and extraction for robust flavor. Number 7. EspressoWorks All-in-One Barista Bundle Espresso Machine. Equipped with the advanced thermoblock heating system, just click the On button, and enjoy Italian-style espresso, cappuccino, latte and much more in seconds. Become a true barista in minutes, as this 19-bar pump pressure system machine set comes with everything you will need for your favorite espresso-based beverage. 1.4L large detachable water tank with convenient handle to allow for hassle-free refills. Number 6. Yabano Espresso Machine. Yabano steam espresso machine is very easy to use, for beginner without requiring much techniques and skills. It can make up to 4 cups espresso coffee at the same time, serving delicious espresso, cappuccinos and lattes for yourself, your friends and family. You can enjoy cappuccino and latte with creamy and rich foam at any time at home. Number 5. EspressoWorks 7PC all-in-one espresso machine. Just add beans. With the advanced thermoblock fast heating system, you can always expect precise temperature and instant steam from the EspressoWorks. Conveniently monitor water levels of front view transparent tank. Handle included on tank for easy removal for cleaning and refilling. Enjoy great tasting Italian espresso, Americano and macchiato. Number 4. DeLonghi ESAM3300 Super Automatic Espresso Machine. Patented cappuccino system frother that mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth. Easy to use rotary and push-button control panel, with programmable menu settings, and beans container capacity is 8.8 ounces. Grinds beans instantly with the patented, compact and easy-to-clean direct-to-brew system. Number 3. DeLonghi EC702 15-bar pump espresso machine. Enjoy delicious espresso made your way with DeLonghi's pump. Espresso and cappuccino maker. Pump-driven and 15 bars. Automatically self-primes, water level indicator. Use pods or ground coffee, with the convenient patented filter holder. Number 2. SOWTECH 3.5 bar 4 cup espresso machine. Single switch knob with indicator light, for easy operation with function, transform coffee selector and on, off. The stainless steel compact design, of the espresso coffee machines, saves lots of space, smaller and lighter. Coffee espresso machine with frothing arm makes creamy froth to top off your cappuccinos and lattes. Number 1. Breville the Barista Express Espresso Machine. Dose control grinding, integrated conical burr grinder grinds, on demand to deliver the right amount, of freshly ground coffee directly, into the portafilter for your preferred taste, with any roast of bean. Digital temperature control, delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Simple and intuitive, giving you control over the grind size, no matter what type of bean you're grinding.